Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 522 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another Dollar Tree makeup product. This is the Beauty Benefits Hollywood liquid eyeliner that I have here in the shade Black. So this is a brand that I've only ever seen at the Dollar Tree. If you know where else you can find this brand, let me know in the comments down below. But I try out pretty much every product at the Dollar Tree, and so I've tried out quite a few products from this Beauty Benefits brand, and I've been pretty impressed by them. Some I've been more impressed with than others. They're not like my favorite beauty brand that I've ever tried before, but that's not going to stop me from continuing to try the products, and you never know, this could become my favorite liquid eyeliner. I do like the packaging. I think it's cute, and then even this component here looks pretty nice. Now that I have it out of the box, it seems really little, but let's check out the applicator. Oh good, it's a brush applicator. I was a little bit worried it was going to be one of those stiff felt tip applicators that are just so hard for me to work with. Okay, I'm gonna start out by just swatching. Ooh, that is full black color, full pigment, very easy to draw with. Okay, and then I'll let that dry on my hand so that I get a better idea of the finish and how quickly it dries, but so far, so good. Okay, I'm gonna try and do a line on my upper lash line. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it to be smooth, especially on the front here. But I do feel like this brush applicator is great. It holds a lot of product on it. It makes it easy to control. That actually looks really good because it's such a full black shade, and it didn't hurt my eye at all to do. Like sometimes liquid eyeliners, when they're that sharp felt tip, it hurts my eye, like pokes my eye, but this just glides across. I don't know if I should even try for a wing because you can probably tell from watching me use this liquid eyeliner that I'm not great at liquid eyeliner, and especially not great with wings. But maybe I'll just try and do a small wing. Just feel like I have the shape of it. Now I just need to fill it in evenly. It got messy, and I kind of hate the wing that I created. But let's see if maybe just a little makeup wipe can clean it up. There we go. All right. I think that looks great. Okay, let's see if it's dried down. Yes, completely dry, no transfer, no fading, and it has a shiny, glossy finish, which I think is pretty. Okay, I am definitely excited about this. I can't believe this was only $1 because it is performing so well. It seems like such a great formula. Let me just do this other eye. Oh my gosh, I think I did it. I think I may have gotten somewhat even looking wings, which for me is such a victory. I still have to clean it up a little bit though. I mean, for me, that's pretty good. Like, oh, it's such a struggle to get my wings to be even and match and to be going off in the same direction, but oof. The product I think performed so well. This is definitely one of my favorite liquid eyeliners that I've gotten that's from the dollar store. And if you have even better liquid eyeliner skills than I do, I think that this product would be so great and look perfect. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this before, and if you love doing winged eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, I highly recommend trying this out, especially for a good glossy finish liquid eyeliner. I'm so happy that this was such a successful product. I definitely never really know what's going to happen when I try out liquid eyeliners. They're probably one of my most intimidating makeup products to try out, but I'm really happy with the results today. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.